Those bulbs narrow. Why do you do things like that?
See if we got anything. My name's Danny, and I've been working on cars since I was 16 years old. On this channel, I do vehicle repairs and custom accessory installs. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Welcome to the channel.
You seem to know something I don't.
I think they were bigger. Never looked.
These are about 35s, probably.
30 pounds.
Yep, there you go. Dude,
Hello.
what the hell, dog?
Don't shut your eyes, baby. They don't hurt.
Go away.
I was telling the guy, is like, you know what you need to do next, right? You need to do your badges. Everything that colorway.
Yeah, it looks good. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm driving down to Poydras. I have a 2000 Honda CRV and we're going to be installing a fuel filter. There's the ring. Yes, that looks the same. Very good. This little clutch range. The top should be a 17. So you know what I want to do? What I got right here, and it's going to make a mess. But I want to see a fuel.
Oh, just crank it up.
Getting to that. Stick it right there.
Alright, it's easier when you crank it over.
Yeah, just give it a little bump. That's good. You got good fuel pressure. Yeah, so you'll have these two like band washers on here.
Yeah,
See
the
it right
metal
there?
washers.
But we got new ones, but I still like to hang on those just
Right,
in
yeah, you
case
don't
we-
want to lose them. Never know when you drop one or something. Brush your hand up, man.
Yours is actually coming off easy. Some of them are way harder than that.
Good thing it's up there, huh? Where it's easy to get to.
Oh yeah, Honda did that right. These 3 tins right here. We're gonna zip these off. Then we can get the bracket off. And then there's another 10 on the other side we can get to. And then we can get him out of this bracket.
Yeah, I always took them apart.
Yeah. Oh, I'm stupid. I'm like, why? What am I missing here? I'm looking for studs instead of holes. Yeah, just look for 2 studs up there instead of holes.
Right.
Look where they go. So literally, you just need a 10mm for this, a 14 for the bottom, and 17 for that top coat, and that's it. Well, it's not as cold as it was earlier.
Right.
Can't imagine where that would go.
Yeah, really. Yeah. It's a little bit.
Every banjo bolt I've dealt with like this had 2.
Right.
Never seen one without it. I don't know how that didn't leak.
Angular. Put it in there.
Shake.
Yeah, release it.
Make sure it splits. Don't even put there. That's weird.
Yeah.
See if it's that one.
Yeah, this one looks a little bigger. The gap end looks a little bigger than that. You might have just put this on more. Shoes.
You designed it flaw.
Yeah, definitely is. We crank them over.
Yeah. Man. And we're getting fuel, as far as I know.
Yeah, it shouldn't take that much to run a little gas through that filter, huh?
No. No, I should have started by now.
Right.
Make sure we're still getting fuel.
Right, you need to spray on it. Yep. There you go.
Okay, well, yeah, we're still getting fuel. I'm gonna have to assume. See, now I need to know if we're getting spark.
I don't know if we
But I
use
need
it.
my spark tester, because I have to check from here and move back again.
Right.
Last time we had spark up to this point, but it wasn't getting through here. So we changed this, and then we had spark. But we still had a prolonged start, which still could be the filter. But that's not the reason it's not starting at all right now.
Right.
I'm gonna have to run through this again. I need it. I wonder if I'm getting it here still.
Right.
It's throwing me for a loop here.
Yeah, kind of throws you for a loop. Yep. When you run into a snag like this.
That's thing it ran before, and it ran good.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden it just don't want to start again. Alright, so I'm heading back to the house now. Unfortunately, I put a fuel filter in and it didn't fix the car. I was kind of hoping for a clogged fuel filter or a bad fuel pump, but as you've seen, we have really good fuel pressure. So it's just gonna be another project for another day. Maybe run through the ignition system again and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. It's kind of got me mind boggled right now. But anyway, hit that subscribe button, and I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope it helps you out. So until next time, later.